Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Okay, today we are discussing some important topic. For suppose if you are a fresher or a working developer and you feel stuck with your only regular projects or small projects. Okay, right now companies are asking for one thing, that is cloud plus generative AI. Mostly cloud plus generative AI knowledge is asking. Whatever the technology you are going to attend the interview, definitely they will ask generative AI. Have you do you have any idea? Do you have you completed any certifications on generative AI, like that? Generative AI knowledge is very important nowadays to attend any interview, any technology related. Here, actually, the good news is Google itself is giving us some structured training like free hands-on labs and official kill badges through a program called um, Project Quantum Leap. That is Project Quantum Leap. Here today I will explain what this program is and how the three main tracks work, what kind of real projects you build, and how you can convert each track into strong resume projects. Okay, this will be helpful to all freshers and every working professional who want to add generative AI projects to their resume, like part-time projects and part-time certifications. If they want to add these projects into their resume, mostly it will be helpful for freshers nowadays. Freshers will give some regular projects like a college internship projects or any some YouTube projects, like that. But no worries here for freshers. Google itself providing some free hands-on labs. Google Labs also providing with the free API services and all, how to interact with cloud plus Google apps, like that. Okay, yeah. Now, actually, what is Project Quantum Leap? First, what exactly is Project Quantum Leap means? Here, Project Quantum Leap is a Google Cloud Partners initiative that helps partners upskill in cutting edge AI technologies. It focuses on three big areas. One is customer engagement with AI agents and intelligent search for Gemini enterprises, and building advanced AI solutions with Vertex AI. The program gives you learning paths with videos and reading, hands-on labs where you get a temporary Google Cloud project. Okay, here, skill badges which you can show on your resume and LinkedIn as verified proof of skills. Okay, so even though you access it through a partner account, the knowledge and projects are useful for any future job you apply for. Actually, who is this for actually? Who should care about this actually? Freshers who want a serious AI plus cloud project on their resume. Working developers in partner organizations who want to move into AI roles. Okay, even non-IT people who want to understand how agents and set systems work in real companies. If you can follow basic cloud and Python concepts, you can benefit. Okay, let's see the structure of the program. Now let's understand the overall structure. Here Project Quantum Leap is organized into three main tracks. I will show you. Here what it is, the current industry demand. Here actually traditional projects like to do apps library systems are no longer enough. Resume stagnation and industry demand is like cloud computing plus generative AI. The opportunity is project, that is the best opportunity. PQL, Project Quantum Leap. Here, what is Project Quantum Leap? I already told, a Google Cloud Partners Initiative for upskilling in AI. Three core focus areas: customer engagement for AI agents, intelligent search for Gemini Enterprise, advanced solutions for Vertex AI. Here, what you get: video learning paths, hands-on labs like temporary cloud access, verified skill badges. And who is this for? Actually, this is for looking for freshers, looking for serious AI plus cloud resume projects, wanting to pivot into AI roles within partner organizations, non-IT professionals wanting to understand real-world AI implementations, Prerequisites: basic cloud plus Python concepts. Actually, these concepts also not required. Actually, I completed one lab. Just basic knowledge is enough, or else you can also complete that by watching the videos. You can complete that as a project. You can complete it. No worries. The program structure here: customer engagement suite, intelligence search and Gemini enterprise built with Vertex AI. For each course, for 4 to 15 hours per batch. Okay. Now customer engagement suite, I will show you in Google. No worries, I will send you link also. You people can easily understand and easily practice and easily complete. Okay. Here long what you can solve in the customer engagement suite: long waiting times, repetitive questions, manual after call work. Okay. What it is, what you build: conversational agents, chat and voice bots and all. Simple chat and voice bots you can build. Okay. Like web hooks, messenger integration, conversational insights. Okay. In real time experience you will get. Okay. Resume project example, like you can put this entire project built an AI powered conversation summarizer using agent assistant and DLP. Okay. Like this you can put in your resume and you can give some summary and objectives and the tools used in that. I will tell you how to put resume also. No worries, just keep watching the video completely. Okay. Next one, the intelligent search and Gemini enterprise. Here the problem: difficulty finding internal documents and policies within the organization. Okay. What you build: you can build search data stores and webs and documents. Here AI applications for ranking and recommendation. Okay. Gemini enterprise agents also. Here implemented an intelligent enterprise search solution using Vertex AI search to index knowledge based documents. Okay. Index knowledge based documents, I will explain now. No worries. Built with Vertex AI, this is the final one. And need to custom domain specific AI systems. What you build: deploy LLMs from model garden. Okay. RAG, retrieval augmented generation pipelines, vector search and Firestore. Okay. Building a RAG based question and answer apps using Vertex AI, Firestore, vector search and Gemini. Anatomy of a learning path. Let's see. Here some short videos, readings, diagrams, hands-on labs for each session. Hands-on labs, temporary Google Cloud project, lab challenge and public Google Cloud skill badges. Okay. Impact and resume: skills to climb, generative AI on Google Cloud, conversational AI agent assistant, RAG and vector search. These skills you can add. Interview talking point: I have used Google Cloud to build AI agents, search systems and RAG applications. Simply you can put this very effective RAG applications and search agents and Google Cloud to build AI agents and search systems and RAG applications. These three are ATS terminologies. Verified skill badges under the certifications. Okay. Skill badges, you have proof how to start and effectively. Pick one track to start. Okay. Chatbots versus LLMs, spacing 1 to 2 hours daily. Don't bing. Okay. Take screenshots of final architectures and share badges on LinkedIn immediately. Okay. You can post that in LinkedIn also. I will show you, no worries. And tracks, real problems, hands-on labs, verified badges and all. Full walkthrough of the agent assistant lab. Okay. Next we will see how to build agent assistant. Okay. In lab I will show you. Just stay tuned to the channel. Okay. If any questions, any doubts you have, facing any issues, I'll just ask me. I will answer. Okay. No worries. Let's see. Let's dive into that site. Okay. Actually, 1 second. Yeah. Once you open the link I provided in the description, or else here simply you can Google skills. You can type. Okay. Once you type on the Google skills. Okay. You will get this page. Google Cloud partners nothing but this is for organizations like TCS or Accenture. Some MNC companies will be Google partners. For those people, mostly MNCs, they can easily use they have complete access to labs, AI labs, Google labs and all. They are for other than other freshers or other than MNC people they can log in with personal IDs. They will get some free credits up to 35 credits. Okay, 35 credits means for each lab they it will consume 5 credits. So for one account they can complete 5 projects. Okay, or else they can buy extra credits also with less money. Other people, so 7 projects you can complete easily, no worries. Those 7 projects you can freshers at least 4 projects is enough. And working professionals from each section, 2 or 1 project is enough for others. But MNC people who are a partnership with Google Cloud, they can complete all these, because they have unlimited access for labs and all. Okay, for suppose here, uh, these are the 3 modules I told now: customer engagement suite, intelligence search enterprise, and build with Vertex AI. Here under customer engagement suite there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 courses are there. These are not just courses, these are hands-on experience. For suppose, let's see here. Once you click on that, I already started skill program. Simply start here. Actually I already started, so that's why it is showing. Oh no, no, not started. My account got uh, okay, this is the starting point. These you can easily complete. Simply course introduction, go to course introduction. Yeah, you can learn subject also here. See course introduction. Welcome to the course introduction to CES and conversational agents. The course explores different products and capabilities of customer engagement suite, CES, and conversational agents. Okay, like this you can get course material. Also, in further classes, you will get.
Let's take a look at the ways in which contact centers have evolved over time.
Yeah, like this.
In this module, you'll explore contact centers of the
theory and explanation and how to build applications also available. Okay, so let's go to again the first home page. Simply you can click on that courses like this. Yeah, like this, it will be have you it will come. Okay, you can complete this. You are successfully enrolled in basic conversation agents with okay, basic conversation agents with playbooks and flows. Okay, simply you can complete this. How to complete? You can by clicking on this lab option is there, no? Start lab option. By clicking the start lab option, and also the progress, you can see the progress here. This is the build basic conversational agents challenge lab. How to complete this. Okay, as of now this is the introduction. From next session onwards, we will see actual projects, what are the projects, how to complete this lab and all. Once you start the lab, the Google Cloud will be activate, and you can get access to all the Google environments and all, and APIs and all. Okay, how Vertex AI and all. Okay, so for each project, for this project 1.5 hour time will be there, but hardly 15 to 20 minutes time will take, that's it. Not 1 hour will take, but initially it will take time, but to understand all these things. Okay, every instruction will be there here. What is the application name we have to give. See, challenge scenario symbol here, company name is symbol. For the symbol company you have to build a conversational agent. Okay, in the next session we will see how to I did not teach any theory, simply I will tell how to complete the projects, how to complete the this labs I will tell. Okay, theory part also there it will be cover while building the building the project. But theory you can read it anywhere, but the practical scenario, practical application, how to build the practical applications, you can find in this YouTube channel. Okay, today onwards we will try to complete this Google Leap program. This is the introduction video. Next video onwards we will try to build the agents. Okay. Okay, you can utilize these skills in interviews, like you can confidently say that I have used Google Cloud to build AI agents that summarize calls, set systems, and retrieve knowledge from documents and RAG applications using vector search and Gemini. Like that you can answer simply. Regarding any if they ask no, how can you leverage AI, like that they will ask no generative AI, any idea, like that they will ask no, simply you can tell this I have used Google Cloud to build AI agents, like that simply you can tell. Okay. uh, Simply you can earn skill badges, you can show to the world. In future videos I will take one specific badge, like improve customer and agent satisfaction with the agent assist, and do a complete walkthrough of the lab, so you can you can replicate the project in your own environment and talk about it in interviews. Okay, if you found this helpful, share this video with your friends and teammates, and let's all move into the AI era together. Okay. This is TNS EdTech. Keep learning, keep building, and see you in the next episode. Okay. Thank you so much, and stay tuned to the channel. We will discuss more projects, real-time projects and helpful projects which you can put in the resume. Okay. Why this many times I'm telling no, so many people who are want to become a software engineer, or who want to enter into IT sector nowadays, a little bit worrying about it, because of this AI, so many jobs are getting loose. So many IT companies are laying the people. IT companies are not laying the people unnecessarily, laying the people who does not know knowledge on AI, generative AI, how to leverage generative AI inside the organization, inside the work. If they don't have that knowledge, if they don't have knowledge to leverage the AI agents, AI inside the project, or within the organization, they will be in critical, there will be some danger zone. So that's why better to have this type of skills, this type of certifications, badges will helpful for future and in your career also, to boost the resume also. Okay. Stay tuned to the channel, and try to log into the Google skills. I will provide the link in the description. Okay. Just keep practice, and if you have any doubts, just message it, or I will provide the YouTube, sorry, WhatsApp link. Just follow the channel. I will provide my insights regarding jobs, whatever the AI jobs and all, and across industries. I will provide the interview links and all in the within the WhatsApp channel. Okay, follow the channel, and stay tuned to the channel, and stay relevant with the AI, generative AI. Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much. From next session onwards we will see how to build AI agents in real time. Okay. Until then, stay tuned to the channel. Thank you so much. Bye.